Hello, thank you for watching this video. This is an overview of the work that has been done. So I'm just going to go to this is a visual novel, and we're going to go to the character creator screen over here. You can create a character it's a very simple character creation screen. We have a load game function as well. So this is the opening dialogue. This is required for the players. You can click continue. We have a load game function, and we can also delete this load game if you want. Then we have how to play, which is right over here. You can basically go right here, complete scroll view features over here. Then we have lower and success over here. We've got options, and we have got a quit button. We can go to new game. We can right over here, Aaron, and we can click confirm. This is the visual novel, and this is how the visual novel looks like. Uh, this is basically for the diary entries. This is the map. This tells where the player is, and this is the current. These are the attributes of the player character. So you can basically wake up, and then you can basically open the letter, and you'll just go through all of these options right here. And there is a complete combat system as well, multiple choices. You can select anything that you want. There's also a combat system, which we're going to take a look at pretty soon. So we're going to go over here. Based on the choices, you will basically based on the choices that you make, the story will progress differently. So you can attack the rogue. This is the combat system, which is completely text-based. You can start the round. Basically, this is a dice roll game. So you can roll, you can attack, and now we've defeated the enemy. We can end the battle, and this game is going to continue. And we're just going to go ahead with this. So this game works using Excel sheets. So actually CSV files, if I'm being more, it works using CSV files. That is more accurate. So you can see over here, these are the CSV files. These are the CSV files that are used to create the story or to basically play the game. So there they are. Thank you very much.